In my previous video, I promised that I will put up a tutorial to show you how to tune your Erhu. Normally, tuning your Erhu takes like 1 minute at best. Well, that's true, but not only will I teach you step by step, but I also share with you my experience as well. So, bear with me. Let's go. Right, first thing, make sure that the strings are on top of the bridges, right? If it comes off or anything, you make sure that you pull it back up onto the ridges of the bridge. And next, I'll show you the wooden pegs, right? Please don't tell me you're using a bronze pegs because it's year 2022. Bronze pegs are outdated and they also have a whole host of issues. Unless you're an experienced player, don't buy those, right? It's important to place your thumb here while we are tuning the Erhu. So let me show you how to tighten and loosen it. So to tighten, right, you have to twist it this direction. So you pull the string up, this is tightening, and when you loosen, it's this direction. Right, let the string down. Right, do make sure that you place your thumb here and then you squeeze it all the time because otherwise the peg can come loose. So this is for the inner string, D string, and then for the outer string, string A, it's the same thing but in the reverse direction. So when you let the string come down here like that, when you turn this direction, this is loosening, this is tightening. So for the fine tuners, right, if you turn it this direction, this is anti-clockwise, right, then it will loosen, and you turn it clockwise, it will tighten. I mean, these fine tuners, they are the lifesaver. When you put this on, you can do all the minute adjustments that you need. And the fine tuner applies to both strings, right? So if you see the fine tuner attached to the outer string, you are tuning the outer string. If you see the fine tuners attached to the inner string, you are tuning the inner string. So you have a chart here, right? As you tighten, the alphabets will go towards this direction. And then if you loosen, the alphabets will go towards this direction. And then for this A string, the outer string is the A4 note. And for the inner string, it will be the D4 note. So here's the middle C, and here's the D4 and the A4. So let's start with the tuning. Right, so we have the Korg TM60 combo tuner metronome here. Right, Korg is a very reliable Japanese brand. Right, it's made in Japan. So yeah, if you are looking for any tuner, the Korg brand is the go-to one. Right, so let me bring the tuner up and then press tuner on. So you see that there's a 440 Hertz here, right? So it's by default 440. Let me shift it to 442 because I'm in Singapore and usually we use 442. And now let me bring my Erhu and let me proceed with tuning. Now it's the outer string. Oh, supposed to be A and it's extremely low now. Let me tighten. Remember the chart? Right now I'm at F. Let's go to G. A. Yeah, I'm roughly there. Right, let's go to the inner string. Yeah, now your outer string will go out of tune again. So it goes to G sharp now. Let's go to A. Then I'll go to the inner string again. D. A. Okay, right, it's roughly there. Let's use the fine tuners. Right, you're roughly in tune, but I'm not done yet. So squeeze the strings. Yeah, then you go out of tune again. So you have to tune one more time. Tighten with the fine tuner. Squeeze again. One last time. So I'm done with tuning. Do note that before you practice, you must tune your Erhu. Then halfway, midway during your practice, if you find that you know, the Erhu is a little bit out of tune, right? Tune your Erhu. So that's it for today. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.